Every great transformation begins with a vision. A vision that technology should empower people, industries, and nations. We are Digital Bridge RDC, building bridges between today's challenges and tomorrow's opportunities. We combine innovation, engineering, artificial intelligence, and human expertise to accelerate Africa's digital future. From mapping, surveying, photogrammetry, LiDAR, aerial photography, inspections, environmental monitoring, precision agriculture, mining operations, energy infrastructure, telecommunications, constructions, logistics, disaster response, and public safety. We transform aerial data into actionable intelligence through GIS, 3D modeling, digital twins, data analytics, and AI-powered insight. Beyond drones, we help organizations embrace digital transformation. Our expertise spans artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, software development, cloud solutions, geospatial technologies, the Internet of Things, digital engineering, cybersecurity awareness, and enterprise innovation. We help governments, businesses, NGOs, and communities make smarter decisions through technology. We believe Africa's greatest resource is its people. Through professional training, certification, consulting, and workforce development, we prepare the next generation of drone pilots, engineers, AI specialists, software developers, and digital leaders. Knowledge creates opportunity. Skills create prosperity. Our ambition reaches far beyond today. We aspire to establish one of Africa's leading centers for drone innovation, advanced manufacturing, artificial intelligence, geospatial technologies, and digital excellence, creating solutions designed in Africa for the world. Digital Bridge RDC. Connecting ideas, empowering innovation, transforming Africa. The future is already taking flight.